Please like and subscribe this channel. Now use FacePlay app. Watch full video to end. Thank you. These faces are for refacing videos. Face changing. Now check the video. Loading, please wait. Click the create. Login with Google and Facebook. Please wait. Click your account, Gmail account. Please wait. This application is very awesome. You use this app for in my description this application's link. Click the plus icon, album and photos. Go to album and camera, allow. Now choose your single photo. Okay, click crop this photo. Scanning now, please wait. Creative.